As Tesla gears up for the highly anticipated Cybertruck delivery starting on November 30th, the company is also making a significant addition to its product lineup that caters to a younger audience. The Tesla Cyberquad for kids, priced at $1,900, has returned to the company's online store with enhanced safety features and a renewed commitment to providing a secure and enjoyable experience for young riders. Upon the initial release of the Mini ATV, concerns were raised by the Consumer Product Safety Commission in the United States. The CPSC cited issues with the vehicle's mechanical suspension quality, maximum tire pressure, and the lack of sufficient safety information for young drivers. In response to these concerns, Tesla CEO Elon Musk opted to address the issues rather than discontinuing the product altogether. The revamped version, identified under the code Model 915, incorporates several safety upgrades to address the CPSC's reservations. The company increased the use of metal in the overall structure of the vehicle, enhancing its durability and addressing concerns about the mechanical suspension quality. Additionally, the age suitability of the Cyberquad has been revised to 9 to 12, with extra warnings added to ensure young drivers are aware of the vehicle's capabilities and limitations. The Tesla Cyberquad for kids retains its appeal with a 500-watt motor and a maximum speed capped at 16 km per hour. The vehicle, when fully charged, boasts an impressive 5-hour battery life, covering a distance of approximately 24 kilometers. Tire pressure alerts and suspension enhancements have been implemented to further improve the overall safety and performance of the Mini ATV. Exciting news awaits those aged 12 and older, as Tesla hints at the imminent release of a special version of the Cyberquad developed for adults. As the company continues to prioritize safety in its products, expectations are high for the adult version to provide a thrilling yet secure riding experience, akin to the upgraded Cyberquad for children. With a price tag of $1,900, the Tesla Cyberquad remains an affordable option for families looking to introduce their children to the world of electric off-road vehicles. This reimagined Mini ATV is not only a source of entertainment, but also a testament to Tesla's commitment to providing innovative and safe products for users of all ages. The eagerly awaited Cyberquad is now available for purchase on Tesla's online store, allowing parents and guardians to bring home this exhilarating and child-friendly electric vehicle. As the company continues to push the boundaries of innovation, the Cyberquad stands as a testament to Tesla's dedication to creating products that captivate audiences young and old, while prioritizing safety at every turn. In summary, Tesla's commitment to expanding its product lineup includes not only groundbreaking vehicles like the Cybertruck, but also family-friendly options, such as the revamped Cyberquad for kids. By addressing safety concerns and introducing improvements, Tesla aims to deliver a memorable and secure riding experience for young enthusiasts, setting the stage for the upcoming release of an adult version. Thank you for watching this video. I can also recommend watching other videos on our channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.